I'm organizing this 2-day workshop in October of nonverbal hypnosis, and I'm inviting Giancarlo to come over to give this workshop. It's a very rare technique. It's almost lost on the market. There are only 2 people teaching this in whole Europe. And Giancarlo did this session on me when we were attending the Hypnosis Congress in Switzerland, and it was just mind-blowing, and everyone was watching, and I would never see something like this, although I've been hypnotizing people the whole time. But it's just something that is out of my understanding. It's amazing to look at. I was also very charmed by Giancarlo. Giancarlo is very grounded. He's very down-to-earth. He is able to explain everything scientifically with all his understanding and his research, and he's not mystifying what is happening. And he's a clinical psychologist, and so his whole practice is very clinical based. And he's also a physiotherapist, making his understanding of hypnosis reaching another depth. It's just a very rare combination. That's why I'm recommending him. And I'm literally inviting him over because I want to learn myself. And I know a lot of my friends are joining, a lot of Omni alumni are joining, and thank you for all your support. But it's a really, really good class. It's for absolute beginners as well. It's really just for anyone who want to have a deeper understanding of hypnosis in general. For me, there are 3 big reasons why I want to learn this. And the first is, it's super cool to look at, super good to impress people. And second, it would give me a much deeper understanding of hypnosis. Because we're using this tool, it's almost like we're using the phone. We don't need to understand what's running inside. And then such a technique takes so much observation, takes so much interaction without words, and it would bring you into the subtle dynamic between you and your client. And the third reason is that it's a very state-of-art hypnosis induction. If I can do this, you can do anything. Reading scripts would be nothing, would be like really easy. And this technique requires you to observe people closely, and that people reading ability is something that you can take into your daily life. If you develop this ability to do nonverbal hypnosis, like reading people would be so much easier. I highly recommend class. And if you have any questions, contact me, and I will try to answer everything you have. See you in October.